Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect PayPal to Facebook as one of your payment methods. Now, the main reason that you would want to connect PayPal to Facebook as one of your payment methods is because let's say you would rather use your PayPal balance or you feel more comfortable using PayPal on Facebook instead of, say, a bank account or a traditional debit card or credit card. However, overall, this video will be helpful for anyone wanting to connect their PayPal account to their Facebook as a payment method. This video is going to be short, simple, and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way to the end to see how to connect PayPal to Facebook as a payment method. If you do find this video helpful, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more future tutorials. Without any further wait, let's get into it. So you're going to want to load up Facebook. Just pretty traditional stuff here, and then you're gonna want to go down to the bottom right to your profile. Now, once you're in your profile, you're gonna want to scroll down a little bit until you see settings and privacy. Now click on settings and privacy, and a little bit further down you'll see all of these options, of course, but a little bit further down, about halfway, you'll see orders and payments. Click on that and let all of this load up, and you'll see credit and debit cards. Now that's where you can add a credit and debit card, of course, but down here is other payment methods. Now you can click on this and you will be able to connect your PayPal account within literally the snap of your fingers. I mean, it's so quick and so easy. So yeah, that's how to connect your PayPal. I really hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please be sure to drop a like, share it with a friend, and most of all, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials in the future.